Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to disable Apple Watch always on. So, if your Apple Watch always on display is enabled and now you want to disable it, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, what you want to do to disable Apple Watch always on is press the digital crown once to exit the watch face. Now, locate and click on settings. On the settings page, scroll down and then select display and brightness. Once you selected display and brightness, scroll down the page, then you should see always on, click on that. If always on is enabled, now to disable it, all you simply need to do is toggle this off. And then you should see always on disabled, and then you are good. So that is exactly how to disable always on Apple Watch. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.